morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today it is Friday and it is the Easter long weekend here in Australia. I don't know if they have it everywhere else. Let me know if you're from a different country, if you have like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday off work. But obviously with what the world is going through at the moment, you can't really do what you probably had originally planned for Easter. So basically we're just staying in all Easter weekend and I thought I would vlog that for you guys because I don't know, I feel like it's going to be kind of fun. We have so many board games to play. I bought a puzzle yesterday, so that's going to teach me some patience. But now we have 4 days at home with no work, so definitely going to give it a go. And yeah, we'll probably do a workout. I'll show you guys whatever we eat, which is probably not going to be the best because it is Easter and I love chocolate. But yeah, I thought I would just kind of start the vlog and I'll just show you guys whenever we're doing something interesting. But yeah, and we're gonna go for a quick walk at the moment because it's sunny this morning. And other than that, we're just gonna be inside, but our government allows you to get like an hour of exercise a day. So we're just gonna go for a quick walk, get some fresh air because living in an apartment, we feel very like cooped up and claustrophobic a lot. So yeah, getting out for a walk is very, very important for our mental health. So we just got home from our walk and I've just made a quick little lunch because I was starving. So I have a bowl of soup, which is way too hot to pick up. And because it's like only 100 calories, I have some wholemeal toast with Nuttalex on it as well. I'm just gonna eat this and then I think we're gonna start making the puzzle because I have no idea how long it's gonna take to make. But Andy's just going downstairs to find like, I don't really know what he's trying to do, but like a cardboard board. So if you start making the puzzle, you can actually like lift it and move it around. Because if we start making it on our coffee table and we don't finish it, then like I'd hate to have to dismantle it. So I think he's trying to find like a cardboard slab that you can put the puzzle on, if that makes any sense. But yeah. Guys, this is taking so much longer than I thought. We started at 11:30 and it is now
3:30.
3:30. 4 hours, and that's no stopping. My eyeballs hurt. Would not recommend. Andy loves it.
It's good.
His shirt off and all.
I'm all hot and bothered.
Yeah, look at your knees. But it's 3:30, which means it's coffee time. I'm so tired.
Afternoon tea time for you.
Legit, I'm a grandma. Every day at 3:30, I have a cookie and a coffee. But
And
yeah,
she knits.
I know how to knit. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, no you didn't. I'll knit you something. I'll knit the cat something.
You knit them a little like little socks.
How cute would that be? Anyway, I'm gonna probably make a coffee because I cannot. We're like at the hard part where everything is the same color. Like, guys,
Everything is blue. Hey, those are in strategic
everything.
piles.
I don't know if you can tell. Everything is the same color and the same texture, so it's literally just like jigsawing it. It's intense. So I'm probably gonna make a coffee and a snack and then we'll get back to it. Yay! Finally finished, guys. Oh my goodness. So we just got back from getting some takeaway Kentucky Fried Chicken. After doing that puzzle, I think we spent 6 hours, 5.5 hours doing it. So neither of us really felt like cooking dinner. So we just got takeaway. Oh, get him. So we just got some takeaway tonight, and tomorrow we'll make like homemade pizzas. Oh, this is yours.
Thanks.
So we got ultimate boxes because
That's mine too.
we literally haven't eaten pretty much all day, like barely anything. But I got a burger,
Is the
chips,
vlog ready for this?
the potato and gravy, and a little piece of chicken.
I feel like that even could have been better.
So we're just gonna eat this, watch a YouTube video, and then maybe like play a game and have a drink later.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning. So as you guys could just see, I just spent the last half an hour learning a TikTok dance while Andy was in the shower. If you want to see the finished result, check out my TikTok. The handle is just Fit with Brit. But because we are stuck inside, I finally gave in and downloaded TikTok. I think it's been around for like 6 months to a year now, and I always thought it was super lame. And then I downloaded it. Get silly. If you guys have TikTok, do you literally have the song stuck in your head at all times? Because me. But anyway, we're gonna make a drink now. We're ready to have a games night, and I'm gonna make a Moscow Mule, if you guys have ever heard of that. It's the first time we had it last week. We saw it in someone else's vlog, and it's so good. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to make it, and if you feel like having a
That's my bad. I turned that on.
if you feel like having a cocktail one night, this is a great cocktail. Or even if you don't, or even I love it. Or even if you don't drink alcohol, just don't put in the vodka and it still tastes good. It's literally just vodka, ginger beer. I use diet ginger beer, and a lime. So it's really easy, and yeah, you can't taste the vodka at all. So if you don't like alcohol or you don't drink alcohol, ginger beer and lime is so refreshing. And Andy is gonna have a vodka Dr. Pepper because that's his weakness. But yeah, I just buy the diet ginger beer if you guys are in Australia. All right. So we got our little drink set now, and we're gonna play a game of Cluedo.
Jeez.
Sorry, a game of Cluedo. We, as most people probably in quarantine, have been obsessed with board games recently. If you guys have been following us for a while, we absolutely love our board games, but now we actually have like more time to play them, so it's been really fun, hey?
Really fun.
Really fun. And I'm gonna kick your ass.
Demonetized. This is arrogant.
I would like to make my guess now.
Go on.
I think it is Plum with the pistol in the courtyard.
Well, help yourself.
Courtyard, Plum, pistol.
Well played.
Who's the winner? I told him I'd kick his ass. Good morning, guys, and happy Easter. So we've just woken up. I've made some raisin toast this morning because this has been my obsession all week this week. And I also have a few chunky eggs because it's Easter, so you have to have chocolate for breakfast. I have my coffee. Andy's in the back making his food. So we're gonna eat this up, and then we're gonna do a little Easter egg hunt I know we're like 26 and 29 years old, but we're literally big kids, and every year we do like a little Easter hunt and just time it, and basically it's a competition to see who wins. Place your bets down below of if you think I'll find them first or if you think Andy will find them first, and I'll film a little like montage of us running around frantically trying to find it. But it's so much fun and I highly recommend doing it. If you don't have any kids, doesn't mean that you can't miss out on all the Easter fun too. Ready, set, go.
That's not a big bowl.
Yes, it is. Watch out, babies. I am flogging you.
No way.
Yeah, way. Stuck.
Drop it.
3, 4, 5, 6. I got some big guys. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16. It's gonna be close.
Ooh, go on.
1, 2, 3.
Did I have 16?
13, 14, 15,
It's because you have all the little ones.
16, 17, 18, 19.
How many did I have? 16.
It's 16. Do you know what's funny though?
I'm not laughing. What?
I cheated by 3?
Why?
I don't know.
What do you
Actually,
mean?
I cheated by 4.
Why? How?
I hit 3 and I just pinched one of your eggs.
You cheeky little.
So I think you won by...
So we're even,
4.
but I win by not cheating.
I mean, you win anyway.
What a sore loser. Can't believe you cheated. So we're currently in the study or the office or whatever you want to call this room, the cat's room. And we're working on my recipe ebook, which is actually going live on Saturday, the 17th?
18th?
18th? Are we sure? 18th?
Pretty sure.
Of April. So this vlog will go up sometime during the next few days, and then on the 18th of April at, I would say, 9 AM, my ebook is going to be released, which is so exciting. We've been working hard on this for like 4 months now, technically even longer, because I always have been like writing down all my recipes and stuff like that, but actually like putting it into a document and perfecting it has taken a really long time. So thank you to Andy. He is a graphic designer, if you guys don't know that. So he helped me write my fitness... Wow. He helped me with my fitness ebook, and now he's helping me do the recipe ebook as well. So I'm really excited to get this out to you guys. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll have more information on there, and like when it goes live, you'll like know straight away. But if you want to get your hands on it, it's only $25 for a 60-page recipe guide, and it's all like healthy recipes and stuff. My favorite recipes of all time. There's breakfast, lunch, dinners, snacks, treats, like there's so much in it. And yeah, basically we're just finishing it off today so that we can put it on the website. And yeah, exciting times. Okay guys, I'm just editing the vlog that I've been filming over the weekend, and holy crap, I filmed way too much. I literally had to delete most of it, so I hope you're enjoying what you've seen so far, because I pretty much deleted all the other stuff, so hopefully it's not boring. But I thought I would end out this vlog because I realized I never did that. But basically over the weekend we just spent it like redoing our house. So we went and got a new plant, and this new plant over here. So I'm absolutely loving how our apartment looks at the moment. I'll show you guys around. So we got a new cat scratcher as well, but this is just what the living room looks like now. I never really showed it too much before, but it's just so much more cleaner in this area. And then my little workstation over here. So So yeah, I'm gonna end it out now, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give the video a big thumbs up for me. Let me know below if you want to keep seeing more like weekend vlogs with Andy and I at home, because honestly there's not much else to do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!